Today we're going to talk about pregnancy and a specific condition called diastasis. When you're pregnant, our bellies expand. So when that happens, our muscles have to expand with it. Our muscles lie on top over the baby, so they protect the baby. And what happens is the rectus abdominis, which are the six-pack muscles, they separate to allow for the spreading of your uterus and the baby's growth. So once that happens, that soft tissue, the connective tissue in the middle, tends to separate. Now sometimes that separation is a little too large and it remains there post-pregnancy. What we want to do is make sure that first of all it doesn't separate as much, nor do we increase the separation once the baby has been born. So today I'm going to show you a method of determining whether or not you have diastasis and a quick exercise to show you how to work on it, try and get it to pull back together using a Pilates exercise. So you're just going to lie down on your back. Keep your knees bent so you're just in a comfortable position. So you're going to take your two first fingers, you're going to bring them right above your belly button and keep them sort of perpendicular to your belly button. When you bring your head off the mat, you should feel a little bit of separation, but not very much. So now if you can fit two fingers in there, there's a little bit of separation there. If you can fit 3 or 4 fingers in there, then we have a little bit of a problem. And relax back down. So if you were able to fit more than 2 fingers in that space, then there's an exercise that we can do anywhere, whether it's in your car, on the floor, in your office chair, to help sort of pull those muscles back together. The biggest muscles that we work on, or the deepest muscles we work on in Pilates, are called your transverse abdominis. They're the muscles that pull in towards your center line. So we want to work on those. That will help keep bringing everything towards your center. So right after pregnancy, you want to avoid doing full sit-ups or anything that pushes things out or separates more. So if you lie down on your back again, keep the knees bent, put your hands around just underneath your ribs and across your waistline. So take a deep breath in. As you exhale, pull everything towards your center line like you're being measured for a very tight dress or suit. And then exhale, release. And again, inhale and exhale, pull everything in towards your center line and slowly release. So you should just feel a knitting of the ribs, a deepening of your deepest muscles, so you'll pull everything to that center line. And one more, inhale, and exhale, pulling everything in towards the center, and just hold for a moment, and slowly release. So if you want to learn more about Pilates and pregnancy, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video.